viewers, welcome to the Tutorial Guider YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about the thyroid disease. Actually, what is thyroid disease? Thyroid disease refers to any medical condition that affects the thyroid gland, a butterfly-shaped gland located in the neck, just above the collarbone. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulates metabolism, energy levels, growth and development, heart rate and body temperature. Types of thyroid disease. 1. Hypothyroidism or underactive thyroid. The thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones. 2. Hyperthyroidism or overactive thyroid. The thyroid gland produces excessive hormones. 3. Thyroiditis, an inflammation of the thyroid gland. 4. Goiter, an enlargement of the thyroid gland. 5. Thyroid nodules, an abnormal growths on the thyroid gland. 6. Thyroid cancer, the malignant cells in the thyroid gland. Causes and risk factors: genetics, autoimmune disorders, radiation exposure, surgery or radiation therapy, hormonal imbalances, family history, age, women over 50, obesity. Symptoms of thyroid. 1. Hypothyroidism symptoms: fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, dry skin, hair loss, constipation. 2. Hyperthyroidism symptoms: weight loss, increased heart rate, nervousness, heat intolerance, diarrhea, weakness. 3. Thyroiditis symptoms: pain in the thyroid area, swelling, redness, fever, fatigue. 4. Thyroid nodules and thyroid cancer symptoms: visible lump in the neck, swelling, pain, difficulty swallowing, hoarseness. Precautions for thyroid: regular thyroid function tests, ultrasound monitoring, fine needle aspiration biopsy, avoid excessive iodine intake, avoid excessive caffeine consumption. Diagnosis for thyroid: blood tests, TSH, free T4, free T3, ultrasound, CT or MRI scans, fine needle aspiration biopsy. Treatment for thyroid: medications, hormone replacement or suppression, surgery, thyroidectomy, radioactive iodine therapy, lifestyle changes, diet, exercise. If you suspect you have a thyroid issue, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. I hope this video may be useful for you. See you everyone in next video. Take care.